Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today we're going to be making another pizza, but this will be the last pizza for a little while. I've been making this seasoning. It's called the Fiesta Ranch seasoning. I saw it in the store. It was in a packet. Like one place I seen was $1.39. Then I looked online, was to see if it was any cheaper, and there I found it for $1.79, $1.99. I said, the heck with it, I'm gonna try to make my own. So anyway, I made this seasoning and I tweaked it a bit from the bits and pieces I found online. And anyway, it tastes really good. It's not the whitish color. I'll show you one in a minute. But anyway, it's a delicious flavor, so I'm gonna do that, and we'll do a Fiesta Ranch chicken, broccoli with Alfredo. Okay, so it's going to be a nice recipe, nice pizza, and I know it tastes good, and you will too if you make it. All right, so let's get to it. Okay, my dough is a little chilly, I said, so I'm put a blanket on it. There you have it. Trying to keep it moist, I left a piece of plastic on there. This is not what it looks like. I mean, it's not red pepper flakes, okay? But this is the seasoning that I made, all right? And I just had that jar, saved it for that, okay? Here we have some Bertolli Alfredo sauce. I was going to make my own, but I got quite a few cans of this in the back, so it was a good deal in Sam's, so we got a 6-pack or 8-pack, whatever it was. Anyway, here I got some mozzarella cheese. Some baby florets here, and I think it's in this. I got some bacon. This here is the last of my pecorino romano. I got to buy some more. I'm going to toss a little of that on there. Here I've got my said chicken, and I'm telling you, that is delicious. I poached the chicken, and then I hit it with some of that seasoning. Here I got a little onion and some bacon, because pizza loves bacon. Bacon loves pizza. We love it all. Okay, so this is my cold fermentation pizza dough. I made that on Saturday, I think it was. So, we get a spoon here and spoon out some of our sauce. You can use ranch if you want. I was wanting to make an Alfredo sauce for this recipe, for this pizza. And I think it's perfect. But this is my last pizza for a while because, you know, we've been making them. And the reason I'm making this one because I had the dough and I didn't want to freeze it. So I said, well, let me see what we got here. So I had some chicken already done. And I said, well, I got a chicken recipe I'm going to be making after this here pizza, maybe today. I got another couple recipes up my sleeve. You guys will probably like some of them, a couple of them anyway. Anyhow, I'm going to put a little bit more of this on here. And then I'm going to cook this on the grill again also. I'll tell you that Penny really likes it on the grill for some reason. I think she likes it because the crust is really, really nice. The grill grates act like a pizza stone kind of deal or a pizza steel. They heat up pretty quick, see? Then you put, like I get this cast iron pizza plate from my daughter Emma, and I use that a lot. But you can also just use a regular pizza pan to cook it. Okay, so we got our sauce on there. So now we're going to put a little bit of onion scattered around. Not much. We don't want this to be like the star of the show, but I do like the onion flavor. Anyway, so yeah, this is I don't know if anybody's made it like this, but I'm pretty sure if I go digging far enough, I'll find one, but I thought it was pretty cool. Tastes good. And like I said, I'm making this seasoning and I keep tweaking it. And I really like it. So Penny likes it too. So it's got a nice flavor to it. I'll let you know some of what's in it in a little bit. Then we're going to sprinkle some of my last bit of my Pecorino Romano cheese. Give it a little cheesy flavor. On the base. Yeah, what's that? There's a song with bass in it. I can't remember the name. Some girl sings it. I don't know what it is. My dogs would probably have my head if I didn't remember. Megan Trainor, yeah. It's all about the bass. I don't know. Okay. So there we have that. And then what I'm going to do is, let me hit it with a little garlic powder. Hold on. Oh, come on out of there. You got to have a little garlic. I forgot my garlic pieces in the refrigerator, so that's close enough for government work. Okay, now this chicken, I'm telling you, the spice. I found a couple ways of making this, and the flavor was good, but I wanted more to it, so I've been doctoring it up. I've been using it for a while. Penny really liked it, and instead of buying it, it's too expensive to when you try. Like I said, from $1.39, $79, $99, and that's only for 1.1 ounce. So that's kind of like where it's at. And I made this whole thing here probably for less than 50 cents. But a lot of people, you already got most of you probably already have the ingredients. Okay, see? Now, yeah, and if you don't want to put the spice on there, you don't have to. It's totally up to you. But yeah, I really like it, and I'm sure that you guys would too if you gave it a shot. Huh? We'll just put a piece here. That's good. Okay, we're done with that part now. I'm gonna put just a little bit of the cheese down. Let me get my hands off first. I'll leave a link again as usual for my pizza dough recipe if you got it. And you can also just go buy it at the store. You can get it at the bakery. You can get it at the pizza place. When I say the bakery, because I think Publix Bakery makes it. But anyway, put a little cheese on there. And then we're going to dot us with a little bit of broccoli. I try to use not too much of the stem. I want it just like the floret part, just the tip, the flower, whatever you call it. But yeah, this is going to be delizioso. What was that lady's name? I keep popping in my head Anita Bryant, but I don't know what her name was. They made that commercial back in the, I don't know, 60s, 70s, whatever it was. Jeez, I'm old, huh? That's my refrigerator making that noise, letting me know it's making ice or something. Okay, here we go there, here we go here. All right, so now on top of that, we're gonna take, we got about 2 slices of bacon here. I might make it. Might cut up a little more. Just see how it covers. But you got to have bacon on a pizza, right? I was reading this new study. Remember how they tell you bacon ain't no good for you, but now it turns out it's pretty good, and just don't overdo it as usual. But the one guy doing the study, he eats like 6 or 7 slices a day. I don't think we need to eat that much, but anyway, I make bacon, 1 pack of bacon at least once a week. And I think that'll be it for the bacon on the pizza here. Don't you guys think that's good? You shake your head? Yes, that's right. Okay, let me put a little bit more cheese on here. It's good to me buy this in bulk, because I'll guarantee you my significant other pizza maker in there is going to come out here and say, that's not enough cheese. No, Mr. Dan, no. So we'll find out, though. You go to most pizza places, they just throw it on there. They don't, for what they charge you for the pizza and what it costs to make it, yeah, they're making a killing. Now my object here is not to really try to burn too much of the broccoli, but you know, some of that's going to get cooked. Now I go turn my grill on. All right, that takes about I don't know how much bacon, cheese that was. All right, let me get my significant pizza maker buddy over here and check this out. Okay, and yes, of course, we had to add a little more. But anyway, I'm just going to hit this with a little bit of the my ranch seasoning I make. Now, if you want this to make, if you make it and you want to have that white color in there, get you some dried up buttermilk. They sell that in a container, and you can mix a couple tablespoons, a couple teaspoons in with this. But this already has, I know I put some parsley in there. That was the largest amount. I think it was like a quarter of a cup maybe, and everything else is like tablespoons, like dried onions, some chives I put in there, some chili powder, garlic powder, some sea salt, and that was all ranging in 1 or 2 tablespoons. I'll leave you I'll type this in there and put it in the bottom. Put some cumin in there. Then I put some spicy paprika in there for a little more of a kick. That was my version. I added that. Plus I added, for a little flavoring, a little more flavor, I added some the pickle powder, the pickle seasoning. Man, that put it over the top. That really made it taste really, really delicious. But yes, it tastes good. And anyway, like I said, if you want to get you get the dried ranch seasoning mix that you can make your own ranch dressing. You know how it's white in there? That's because they use that dried buttermilk. You could do the same thing with this. I am going to make a version of the regular ranch mix, but the seasoning, and it's going to look something like this. I'm not going to put the white buttermilk in there, the powder. So we'll see how that tastes. Anyway, I dropped my grill on, so we'll be taking this out in a couple minutes. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, the grill's right around 450, so we're going to take this. Boy, that's hot. And I want to show you what it looks like one more time before it goes in. There you go. Put this in there. Watch your fingers. Watch your fingers, Mr. Dan. It's hot, hot, hot. Okay, lid goes down. We'll be back in about 8 minutes to check it and probably rotate it. Okay, guys, let's take a peek. Oh, yeah. See how it's starting? This out here cooks quicker than in the back. I just think it was the other way around. But anyhow, let's try to rotate this. All right, I'm gonna try not to burn too much of the broccoli there. All right, we'll be back in a few minutes. It'll be done. Okay, guys, there you can see it. Our significant other gave us a thumbs up. It's time to take the baby off. We'll meet you in the house. Okay, guys, here you can see it. Give us a few minutes, and ooh, that's hot. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Gotta let it cool down a bit before I slice into it. Then we'll meet you at the taste test table. Okay, guys, there's the pizza. I'm gonna have to angle this camera by myself, so just give me a second. Okay, guys, as usual, I hope you can see me when I sit. I don't know. Camera girl isn't working back there, so I can't really bug her too much. Whoa! Now, this is what I've been waiting for. Like I said, this could be the last pizza for a little while. I'm gonna go back to making more. I've got a few of them that I've written down already. I'm gonna try them. Anyway, check this out. The undercarriage here, nice and golden brown. I'm gonna take our first bite. Hope it's not too hot. Whoa, that's hot. Delicious gangbuster flavor. Holy moly. I think I saved one of the best for last, huh? Well, this is really good. That was a big piece of chicken. With that seasoning on the chicken. Like I said, I'll type it in the bottom. And the broccoli got a little singed like you would roast it. Delicious. The onion comes through, the bacon comes through. The ranch dressing, the dressing comes through. Alfredo sauce, as it were. At any rate, if you like the recipe, give us a thumbs up. Give this a try. You're definitely going to like it. Share with your friends, your family, people you don't know. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. If you have hit the subscribe button, don't hit it again. And also, notification bell is there. You hit that, that'll notify you each and every time we upload another video. To the bottom right below the video box, you'll see an arrow down. You hit that, and that will bring down drop down box that will have a Cook with Mr. Dad Facebook page link. It'll have a link to my daughter's artwork site page, and it will have a complete list of all the ingredients and stuff that we did for this delicious, delicious pizza. So, my friends, stay hungry when you are. Come back and we will give you another delicious dish just like this. This is Mr. Dan saying stay safe, stay away from the COVID. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the pizza, and we'll see you on the next video. We're out for now.